First, we're going to talk about the location of the media device ports. Some of the common locations are inside of the center console, behind the center console, or under the infotainment. Please note that the location and number of ports may vary by model and trim level. For example, this 2019 Kia Forte S doesn't have a charging port in the back console. Another example of this is a 2019 Kia Sorento that has a 12-volt port in the third row cargo area. Now we will go over the different USB ports and the use of the cables. Keep in mind there are two different kinds of USB ports. One is used for playing music from a compatible media device, and the other is used for charging compatible devices. The easiest way to tell these two apart is underneath the one that is used specifically for playing music, it will say USB, and for the one that is used specifically for charging, it will have a battery icon underneath. Keep in mind that the device will only charge if the vehicle is on, and you want to use the USB charging cable that has been certified by the device manufacturer. If you use an aftermarket cable, it may impact the functionality. If you do not have your USB cable but you would still like to play music, then you can use the aux port. This is available on most Kia models. Next, we're going to talk about the 12-volt port. This is where you can charge car accessories that do not have the USB plug-in. One of the most common is a GPS system. Lastly, some of the Kia models are also equipped with this outlet similar to one that you would see in your home. You can plug pretty much anything that allows for it, such as laptop chargers and other phone chargers.